Shaffner. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a trunk club. Look at that. Look how light it is. This is the smallest trunk club I have ever received. That is not a bad thing. That means that this trunk is filled with spring and summer fashion, which is exactly what I requested from my stylist. I actually requested a budget-friendly summer trunk. So let's see what my stylist sent. Budget-friendly, summer? You be the judge. This particular trunk has 12 pieces in it. So I've already opened it up and tried everything on, and I will share it with you as I give you my thoughts. Every trunk does come with some information, and inside this envelope is a mailer. Anything that I don't want, I will put right back into my trunk, put the mailer on the box, and drop it off at the UPS store, or I can schedule a pickup if I like. I also have the invoice in here, and I am familiar with the prices because with Trunk Club, you do get a preview, and in that preview, you can decline pieces that you're not interested in trying. You can also change sizes, colors, things like that. With this particular trunk, I did decline a couple pieces. My stylist always throws something in that she thinks I will enjoy, and my stylist really does a wonderful job. I have been with her for over a year. I am very satisfied. If you would like more information about Trunk Club, you would like to try Trunk Club for yourself, I have left all the information in the description box below, as well as my referral link. There is a charge of $25 to get styled by Trunk Club, but if you have a Nordstrom's card, yeah, it's free. I enjoy shopping at Nordstroms. I don't have a Nordstrom's in the town that I live in. There's not even one within driving distance. So Trunk Club is fabulous. So I can try current on-trend pieces that Nordstrom's is offering. So let's get right into the try-on, and we'll talk about the pieces that she sent. My stylist did send a couple dresses. This is the first dress. This is by the brand Bobeau. This dress has a scoop neck. It also has like a cross front. I mean, it's got something going on in the bodice in the front. I did not care for it. I am probably too busty for a detail like this. You guys have heard me talk about this before. I felt like I had a boob wedgie in this dress, okay? You be the judge of that one. This one has 3/4 length sleeves. It's a really soft fabric. It also is an asymmetrical hemline. You can see that in the try-on. It is lined. It had a lot of static cling, and I don't ever spray anything on the clothing or steam the clothing until I decide to try it on. But yeah, I'm not real crazy about this dress. This dress is $72 regular price, but it did go on sale since I got my trunk. It is now $50.99. I can't see this one working into my summer wardrobe. Although it is a fresh color, it did not feel like a summer piece. I mean, maybe indoors. I mean, would you wear this to work? I don't think I would wear this anywhere. In my last trunk, my stylist sent me a couple blouses from the label Boden. I did not like those blouses, not one bit. It was not my style. Some of my viewers said to give Boden a chance because they actually like some of the pieces by Boden. So my stylist included a couple Boden pieces in this trunk. Let's see what you think. The first one is a dress. This is the Melissa foil dot dress. I saw this in the preview and I thought it was like black or brown. It's actually olive with a gold dot. It does have a V-neck on it, and this is 100% cotton. It also has a little ruffle on the bottom of it. I didn't think I would like this from the preview, but I wanted to give Boden another chance. I love this. I really like the way this one feels on. I think the length was nice. I think the ruffle is done very nicely. This is one of those really easy wear summer dresses, and I kind of like the colors on it too. Normally for summer, I would want to pick lighter colored clothing, but this is so fun. It's so different. This is very lightweight. It's $90. it's $90 for basically a cute t-shirt dress with a ruffle on the bottom. Do you think it's worth it? It feels amazing. I am starting to like Boden maybe. The rest of this haul is all tops, which is fine with me. I really need some fresh, fun summer tops. And the first one that I tried is by Lucky Brand. You can tell by looking at it that it's Lucky Brand. Don't you think? Don't you think this is signature Lucky? That's what I think. So this is the notched neck tee, and you can see all that beautiful embroidery. This is 100% cotton. It is a machine wash. I appreciate that. It is not extraordinarily soft. It's a t-shirt for $49.50. I'm not wowed by this. I like it. I would wear it if I had it. I don't want to spend $49.50 on this top. The next top is by the brand Bardot, and this is the floral drape twist top. It does have a collar, a pointed collar at that. It is long sleeves. It does have a cuff. Look at these buttons. Love these buttons. Now, I didn't think I was going to like this. I knew there was a reason that my stylist was including it. This top is lined. It has a cami that you can take all the way out. I love the cami, actually. I think it also has, yeah, it does have the snap so that you can snap it in place. I love this top. Once I put it on, I just started imagining all the possibilities in wearing this top. What did you think about that front detail? This one is 100% polyester. This is a hand wash piece, and I think that this one could be worn with different color camis. I could see wearing a red cami under this one for the holidays, but this is super lightweight, very flowy. It has a lot of character to it, and again, I really appreciate the cami. I like this cami. It has the adjustable straps on it. It is a beautiful, vivid green color. This top is $79. Now, I kind of look at this top as a 2-for-1. So this cami can be worn with many other pieces or alone with a blazer over it, but it also looks smashing underneath this drape front top. Bardot, $79. Do you guys like this one as much as I like this one? Here is a really cute top. This one's by Gibson. It's called the Mother Chic Oaks ruffle trim top, and you can see it has a ruffled collar. It has ruffled sleeves on it. It does have a keyhole in the back, and that button is hidden. So I kind of appreciate that. This one is plenty long for me. It's the mustard color that I really appreciate. This one is $59. It is 100% rayon, and it is hand wash only. So I like the cut of this blouse. I think it is absolutely adorable. The length is great. This is a top that I would definitely wear. I do have a top that is made in almost an identical looking fabric. That's one strike against this blouse. And also the fabric, the rayon is a big strike. The hand wash is a big strike. And many of the pieces in this trunk are hand washed. There's even one that is dry clean, and that does not say easy to wear summer clothing to me. I really like the way that this blouse looks. I am not going to purchase this blouse. You guys heard me say it before. I have vowed no more 100% rayon in my closet. I don't care how cute it is. I will not be swayed to purchase 100% rayon. But if you are a rayon lover, I will link this blouse as well as all the clothing that I'm trying today in the description box below. If you want to order this, you don't even have to get a trunk club. You can order this straight from Nordstrom's. The next top is in a color that I absolutely love. This is a peach color, and I love this color for summertime. This one is called the Corbin puffed sleeve blouse. You can see in the try-on, you can get a better look at those puffed sleeves. This one has a jewel neckline. What's the difference between a jewel neckline and a crew neck? I don't know, but that's what they say on the website. This one is a rayon polyester spandex blend. This is also a hand wash. It's $44. I don't particularly like the sleeve detail. I do like the color. I think this one would be a great layering piece, but I wouldn't buy a blouse with sleeve detail as a layering piece, to be honest with you. And another hand wash, not interested, but I think the color is great on this one. Okay, here is the next piece by Boden. And look at this. Isn't this a beautiful fabric? This is 100% linen. It also has the patch pockets on the front. And I just think it is such a beautiful, vibrant, summer colors. It's long sleeve, and the sleeves were a little bit long. I would probably wear this one with the sleeves rolled up. This one is $85. I think the fabric is absolutely beautiful. I don't know if I'm really shopping for long sleeve blouses at all. My summer temps where I live will be well into the hundreds for most of the summer. So really and truly, I don't reach for a lot of long sleeves at all. Even 3/4 sleeves can be too hot in our summer months. I don't know. It's $85. It's 100% linen. This one is a machine wash, which is nice that you can wash it. Linen does wear very well, but it also wrinkles. So that's another consideration. I like it. This one I think is maybe. I'm going to wait and hear what you think about this one. The next piece is a beautiful top. This one is by the brand Joie. This is the Ansel flutter sleeve top. It is in a gorgeous like peach and coral color print. The flutter sleeves are so well done. Let me show you the back so you can see how it's designed. There is a hidden zip, so it's very fitted through the middle, and then there is a cloth-covered keyhole button and loop closure in the back. This one is $198. I kind of think this one might be too tight, that this one maybe in one size up would be a better fit on me. I was a little bit concerned about where the bodice hit. This one was kind of difficult to get into because you have to reach around your back and zip up right in the middle, and also the button closure was just a little bit tough to get into. I think this one is beautiful. It's a $198. That's par for the course with this brand. I like it. I could see myself wearing this to graduation with a pair of white denims. Yeah, I have several graduations to go to, and this feels like a piece I would really like to wear, but it's almost $200. Do you think I should exchange it? Let me know your thoughts on this piece by Joie. $198. Is that budget friendly? Okay, next up we have some mustard. This is a sleeveless embroidered tank. Check out that embroidery. This is by Caslon, and this one is so super soft. This one is $39. This is much more budget friendly. It feels amazing. Like you want to wear this because it is so soft. It is like 60% cotton and 40% modal. Yeah, really great. I like this one. I love that embroidery in the same exact color. I don't know. I think I will probably keep this one. I am a lover of everything mustard. And yeah, I think this one is staying. It's $39 and it is the softest tee in this entire trunk. Another $39 tee from Caslon. This one is kind of in a blue heathered color. I love the color. What do you guys think? Do my eyes look bluer with this one? Look at that crochet detail. That is kind of nice, and a flutter sleeve. This one feels amazing as well. It's not quite as soft as the last one. This one is a polyester cotton spandex blend. It is super cute. Isn't it cute? I like the neckline on this one as well. It's $39. I like everything about this one, so yeah, this one is a no-brainer. It's staying. Do you guys like the color? Let me know what you think about this color. I think it's kind of unusual. I don't have anything in this particular color. This one has me scratching my head. I don't know. This is by Chelsea 28, and this is a lace t-shirt. There's not a cami to be worn under it. I did wear a contrasting cami. I like to do that for try-ons so that you can get a really good feel of what it looks like. If I was to keep this, I would probably wear a white cami under it. This is almost an off-white color, and there is a keyhole closure in the back. It is on the inside as well. So this one, it's uncomfortable. The lace is uncomfortable. This is a cotton and nylon blend, so that'll give you an idea. And it's not like scratchy lace, but it's just uncomfortable. And I think it's too small as well. This is a size medium. I think I would need a size up if I was to keep it. It's too short. It's a cropped length. It didn't look good on me. I don't know. I don't know about this one. I would never wear this. Well, I shouldn't say never because that's silly. I'll probably be sporting this next year, but yeah, it is not in my style profile at this time. $59 for this Chelsea 28 lace tee, and maybe it would be cute over a bathing suit, like if that was a look you wanted to sport. Not me. The last piece that I tried today is just a shoe-in. This is a Madewell Whisper V-neck pocket tee. This is in the color Marigold, and they are $19.50. The Madewell V-neck tees are generally $19.50. Sometimes you can find them on sale for about $16. This is a magnificent t-shirt. It is 100% cotton. I love my Madewell tees, especially the V-neck tees. I buy them every single year. I don't have this color, so of course I'm going to keep this one. And why do I rave about Madewell tees? Because they hold their shape. You know what I'm talking about. If you try discount t-shirts, sometimes they lose their shape in washing and wearing. That is not true with Madewell. Madewell also retains its color very well. Although I do like to replace and refresh my t-shirts when needed, it seems like I am able to wear my Madewell t-shirts much longer than some of the other brands. This Marigold tee I am keeping. That's everything I received in my trunk club. And as I am going through this trunk with you, I realize I actually like more of the pieces than I don't like. You know, Trunk Club does send me some tape so I can even tape up the box when I am ready to return it. Hey, if you've stuck around this long, make sure that you're subscribed, tap that bell, and don't miss any more videos. I sure want to see you again. Guys, I could really use your help, your feedback on the items that I received, because like I said, I realize I want to keep more than I want to send back. I really like this Bardot top. Let me know what you think about it. And what about the $90 Boden dress? It's super cute. Isn't it cute? Is it too dark? Let me know. I like the joie top as well. Should I exchange this one for a larger size? And then I have the Boden, beautiful print Boden top. This one is $85. The Gibson embroidered tank, this one's only $39. That is much easier on my budget. And then the Gibson blue heathered $39 tee that I really like as well. And of course, you know I'm keeping my $19.50 Madewell top. That's a lot of stuff. That is going to hurt my budget if I purchase everything. So I look forward to your comments. I can't wait to hear from you. Could I get you to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it or you enjoy videos like this? I have more clothes for you, more fashion coming at you very, very soon. So subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Blessings to you.